Okay, Josh, that's one of your favorite places. You
It
have
is.
taken some spectacular pictures up there in the fall.
Yeah, thankfully I had the pleasure to go up there and spend my morning and afternoon out that direction. And, you know, now is the time to go check it out because it only takes one windstorm to bring all those leaves down. Yeah, thankfully over the wet and windy weather we experienced over the weekend, a lot of the leaves still holding on tight as we near peak fall foliage. A few of the pops of color with those big leaf to maple trees out over the West Hills, looking out over a mostly cloudy downtown Portland earlier today as well, as those clouds are slowly starting to break apart. Nearing peak conditions for the I-5 corridor as we work our way into this final week of October. By the time November starts to roll around, that's when we start to slip into stick season. As many of those trees were blowing around in the gusty winds out over the weekend, you can see just how it's shredding some of them, bringing a lot of them to the ground and creating quite the mess. But the rain was beneficial over the past 3 days, measuring more than an inch and a half. Of course, the breadwinner, that was on Friday with more than 3/4 of an inch, and also seeing some beneficial snow, making it look like a winter wonderland anywhere from the government camp area out towards Mount Hood Meadows. Just truly spectacular sights to be seen up in our higher elevated locations. Right now, temperatures managing to hover right around the mid-50s with those clearing skies. We'll get a few more clouds in the mix later tonight as we settle our way into the mid-50s, low 50s just around the corner as the sun sits lower in our sky. But already filling up some of those rain gauges to a couple of 1/100ths of an inch, if not even closer to a 1/10 of an inch in many locations, as our radar and satellite shows that cloud coverage slowly breaking down and that rain potential, it's starting to finally slip away. But for the rest of this evening, hey, maybe take Boba out, the rocker cat in a pumpkin outfit. Thanks to Suzanne Frassini in that photo, as a light jacket will be needed for the rest of this evening. All as our drier skies are thanks to this ridge of high pressure. It's going to be brief and short in nature as we're clipped with that little short wave. A kink in the jet stream, very similar to what we saw last week as well, but now picking up on maybe a chance for some light rain showers come Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before we dry things back out again. And that carries us all the way into Halloween on Friday. Now, we're keeping a very close eye on this powerful trough of cooler air. We'll be sitting on the fringe of the jet stream. The timing, not perfect, but I'm thinking that we could potentially hold off on some of that wet weather potential until after trick-or-treaters get back home Friday night. So we'll time everything out with our futurecast, expecting to pick up on a bit of an easterly breeze, which is expected to keep us on the dry side as those overcast skies return. Wet weather ramps back up again for Tuesday night into Wednesday. Low impact, though, not measuring up to be very much at all as we dry things back out again by Wednesday afternoon. So over the next 48 hours, anticipating area rain gauges to fill up close to 1/4 to a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch for the I-5 corridor, closer to that 1/2 inch mark out along the shoreline. As tonight we keep our skies mostly cloudy, temperatures falling back into the low 40s with a northeast wind at about 2 to 4. Tomorrow getting back up into the mid to upper 50s with those overcast skies. Very similar to what we saw today. Again, tomorrow I think we'll have a few sun breaks by the afternoon and evening hours as our 7-day forecast shows temperatures getting back up into the low 60s come Wednesday and Thursday. And then as Halloween approaches, mostly cloudy skies, but we could see a stray raindrop or two as the kiddos head back home from trick-or-treating. And just a closer look at where the temperatures should be hovering around, anywhere from 55 falling to 53 degrees. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on how Halloween shapes up. I always like to say just have that plan B ready to go in case the rain does move into our area.
Yeah, you're saying if we're lucky, the rain comes later in the evening.
Yes, I'm thinking maybe 9, 10 o'clock at night.
Which the kids are done by then.
That would be perfect.
That would be perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, still